Hey everyone, Chad with Deadly Duo Outdoor Adventure Channel. I figured I'd actually do a video of some tree chopping. We need to get some of this stuff done so we can clean up the yard, and I can kind of show you guys what's going on, and we go from there. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click subscribe, and we put out videos weekly. This is all of our stupid crap we have to get fixed. It's just, oh, it's so gross. It is so stinking gross. Last year I was able to get all of that done, but hopefully you guys enjoy this. Okay, so I'm actually using an electric chainsaw. This is the one that my wife got me for Christmas a long time ago. I think I've had it for about 5 years, and so I've actually used it quite a bit, and I love it. I actually don't have any problems with it. There was one year that I actually had a problem with it, but I found out that the guard actually had a clip on it to make it so you can start it or stop it. And I didn't realize that because I know my grandpa had an old electric one, and it didn't even have a stop on it. I think it was broken or something, because I know they started doing it like, I don't know, back in the 60s or something to make it so they didn't just keep going. Can't remember when that happened. But yeah, but I really like it. It's actually a lot of fun. I've been using it for quite a few years, and it's an easy little thing. You don't have to use gas or anything, which is nice, but it does use a lot of power. I think it uses like 800 watts or something like that. But it's not bad. It's a Black & Decker or something. But I'll get another one later. Probably a Rigid or something. But yeah, so this is what it looks like so far. I probably need to fix this later. They have been sitting here for a while. I need to get a leaf blower here soon. But that's what we need to clean up. That was from a dead tree over here in our backyard. I should say our front side yard a long time ago. So yes. The one thing I don't like about this is it has a cord. Hey everyone, I thought I would give you guys a progress report on what's been going on, and it turns out that it's actually working a lot better than I expected. A lot of these twigs are a lot bigger, so I'm going to have to cut them up with my trimmer, but overall they are actually doing pretty good. This is what I've actually gotten done so far. So I got all that, and hopefully this grass over here will grow back. I'm actually going to see if I can redo this over here, take out all the wood, move that thing. That's actually an old gate thing for a ferret. We decided to use that for like all the tinder, but then we didn't have anything to cover it, and it just didn't work very well. So we're going to get rid of that, but I think what I'm going to do is put gravel down on the bottom after I move everything. That way this will actually look a little better, and it'll probably support, or you know, when it rains it'll drain all the water so it doesn't just sit and moist. That should help a lot. It will also be a little better on that area, because then I can get rid of that and then put grass back in that area. I'd like to get some seed and fix that, because the stinking dog. But yep, so that is how it is going. Thank you for everyone that watched, and we'll see you guys on the next one.